My car's AC works only on alternate days. What could be the problem? Are there any home remedies for cat sneezing? Why is my Jabra Bluetooth not pairing with my Nokia 108? If you can answer questions like these, you have a chance to earn up to $7,000 per month from the comfort of your home. If you are a professional who want to earn some extra income, you can jump onto this website, JustAnswer.com. If you are a lawyer, doctor, veterinarian, electrician, electronic tech, computer tech, and many more, if you are from one of these professions and if you can answer these questions as an expert, you could earn extra income. Let's find out how. If you consider yourself an expert to resolve issues in relationship care, if you can answer questions confidently about parenting, entertainment, if you are a wedding planner, if you are an expert recruiter who can guide someone about jobs, if you are an expert in dream interpretation, you have a chance to earn this extra income where on this website, people will post questions, genuine questions about their problems. And as an expert, you'll be paired with these users so you can answer the questions and you can earn money. The rating is pretty good. Trustpilot, it has a rating of 4.5, and as per Google, it has a rating of 4.9. It is a pretty good website if you want to earn extra income. So how it works, users come here, ask their question, and then they will match with you. If you are an expert, you're already registered here, they will match the user questions with you. How much does JustAnswer pay? It pays around $2,000 to $5,000 per month for an expert. Over the course of an year, you can earn up to $84,000 if you are really committed, if you consider yourself an expert, and if you can answer a lot of questions. Their application process is little stringent. You have to prove that you are an expert. You have to provide your certifications and coursework and how much experience you have and the reference. But once you are in, once your credentials are verified, then you'll be paired with the users so that you can start answering the questions. And as an expert, you will choose your working hours. It will be extremely flexible. You can pick and choose which question you want to answer, and depending on your answer, depending on your customer reviews, depending on your ratings, you will be paid. On our next platform, you can earn up to $60 per hour to $300 per hour. Our very own shark, Mr. Mark Cuban, is also here. If you want to talk to him and consult about your startup, you will have to shell out $166.67 per minute to talk to him for any kind of consultation. I'm not saying you have to pay Mark Cuban, but you can act as an expert and get paid just like Mark. If you consider yourself an expert in a startup world, if you have expertise in business, sales and marketing, funding, product design, technology, skill and management, you can earn a good amount of money. Check out some of the listings from this website. If you consider yourself as an expert in entrepreneurship and you can reply to some of these entrepreneurial queries, you can earn up to $8 per minute. And these calls could last for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It depends on what kind of query it is. So if you consider yourself an entrepreneur, this call is for you. The next one will be sales. If you think you are an expert in sales, you can earn up to $16 per minute just attending the sales calls and advising people how to increase their sales in their company. If you consider yourself a dating and relationship coach, you can earn up to $2 per minute. If you are an expert in crypto, blockchain, you can earn up to again $16 per minute, and you'll be paid as the call goes. Time is tough in the job market right now, but if you are a recruiter who has a lot of leads and if you can guide someone on how to find a job, well, you can earn a good amount of money. There are a lot of different categories on this website where you think you are an expert. So you can register on this website and start taking calls and start making money. Now, how it works? Again, the people who want help will come on this website, they will find an expert and they will request a call from you. You'll have to evaluate how much time it will be needed for that call, and you can upfront charge for that call of 5, 10, whatever minutes you think is needed. The call will be scheduled and you'll be in business. Clarity.fm has different categories like entrepreneurs, business. If you think you are an expert in startups, then there are social media, online marketing, strategic planning, life coaching. If you consider yourself an expert in leadership, if you have held leadership positions in a corporate world and an aspiring leader wants to learn from you, well, this is a platform where you'll be paired with that leader or that aspiring candidate, and you both can benefit from this call. Similarly, there are SEO, small business, coaching, project management, and many more categories. You will just have to register here and start taking the calls. After your work or after your evenings, if you have time, just hop on this call and you will be able to help a lot of people and they will be able to help you with extra cash. If you are a licensed therapist, this one is for you. You can earn up to $67.90 per hour for live sessions. It will be video, audio, or chat. You can earn up to $4,000 in bonus if you spend more time with your clients here. As a therapist, you don't have to worry about filing the insurance claim and all that. This website will take care of all of that. If you can earn 40 extra hours, that means that's pretty much full time. You can earn up to $155,000 per year. But if you want to just do this part time and if you can work 10 hours per week, well, you can earn up to $33,000 per year. Or if you could work up to 20 hours per week, you can earn more than $71,000 per year. Talkspace is a wonderful platform for therapists if they want to earn some extra income from the comfort of your home. You don't have to leave your home at all. You can do the counseling just the way I am talking to you guys right now. The advantage of Talkspace is, yeah, of course, you don't have to travel. You don't have to worry about parking fees and traveling time and all of that. There is no particular time commitment. It is very flexible, so you can choose your hours. If you get good ratings from your customers, you can earn bonuses. And what are the requirements to apply on this website? And this is the requirement. Currently this is for US residents only. And you have to submit your application, complete the onboarding and the paid training. And once you are done, once you are on board, you will start receiving the calls. All of these IT companies who design big websites for banks, investment companies, some of the crypto companies, or there are websites like Talkspace where they are designing it for the clinicians. A lot of work goes behind creating these websites. They will have to talk to a lot of people to gauge what the interest is, what people really want to see in the website, how it can be really effective. And for this, they need a lot of user inputs to design all these platforms. And our next platform talks about this. It is userinterviews.com, where the experts will ask you questions, what exactly you want in a website or in a research study or in different part of the business, and depending on your inputs, they will design their systems. You can earn from $50 per hour to $200 per hour just helping out answering questions on this website. If you could answer these questions as it is showing up on the screen, if you are working in a startup and if you understand how startup works and what are the pitfalls and what are the gaps in startups, and if a tool is going to help you, you can just give your input on this website to the creators and you can earn. For your 45 minutes, you can earn $50. If a bank is designing a banking app and you can show what are the gaps in your banking app or your banking websites, well, if you could answer some of those questions, you can be paid up to $75 for your 30-minute consultation. Around 2,500 studies are launched every month, so you have the opportunity to participate in multiple studies at the same time. And if you can participate in this online interview, 30 minutes to 2 hours, you could be paid $20 to $300. If you are curious about what kind of studies are going on and what studies you can contribute to, you can head on to this website and check out for yourself. The next platform is for patients and caregivers. If you have any patient, if you know a patient who is going through these conditions, or if you are their caregivers, now you have the opportunity to answer a few questions so that they can use that information in their research and come up with better solutions, come up with better treatment for these conditions. This is not a clinical study. This is just Q&As for patients and caregivers where you can earn some extra income. If you go on the website rarepatientvoice.com and register yourself mentioning what your condition is, these are all the listings on this website where you can participate. If you are a caregiver for ALL, you can earn $120 compensation for a 60-minute quick interview. If you know someone who is a bladder cancer patient, or if you are a caregiver for a 30-minute interview, you can get up to $60. You can go through this website. There are a lot of listings and you can take part in whichever you like. On an average, you can earn up to $120 per hour on this website. Our next platform is for customer research and message testing. They want to test their marketing strategy if it is working or not on you. And this is not just for any random people. You have to qualify for certain roles because they are not going to ask you AI questions if you are not related to AI. They are not going to ask you medical questions if you are a mechanic. They will match your profile and then they will start asking you questions. So you will be paid depending on your profile and depending on your background. But don't worry, they have questions for everyone. They have questions for right from engineering, finances, if you are a founder, graphic designer, medical doctor, sales and development, cybersecurity analyst, visual designer, teachers. They have questions and surveys for everyone. And how much do I get paid? Well, if you think you are a specialist, you will get $10 to $20. If you are a mid-level professional, you will get $10 to $30. And if you are an executive, you will get from $20 to $50. And these are not long surveys. These are short surveys. Now let's look at a sample survey, how it looks like. This is just 5 to 15 minute survey, and you will be paid from $20 to $50 based on your level of expertise. Testing the entire web page, messaging to understand what section resonate with the target audience. So this is, you're helping them market their product well. I hope you like this video. I need your little help here. Please rate this video from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, 1 being the worst. And if the rating is less than 7, could you please mention what I could have done better in this video? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your fired friend Sushant, signing off.